Good day. My name is Ian Ezekiel D. Sibulo, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. I am applying for the position of sous chef at your company. I am a hardworking, responsible, and adaptable individual who is willing to learn and grow in the hospitality industry. I hope that through this video, you will get to know me better and see the value I can bring to your team. There was a time when I had to deal with a difficult person during a group activity. One of my groupmates was not cooperating and often disagreed with our plans. To handle the situation, I stayed calm, listened to their concerns. I tried to understand their point of view and suggested that we find a compromise. In the end, we were able to work together and complete our task successfully. This experience taught me the importance of patience, communication, and teamwork. There was a time when I was criticized for not being fast enough in completing a task. Instead of taking it negatively, I accepted the feedback and used it as a motivation to improve. I practiced managing my time better and became more efficient in my work. This experience helped me understand that criticism is an opportunity to grow. If I ask my coworkers to describe me, they would say that I am a responsible, cooperative, and hardworking. If I ask my supervisor, they would describe me as someone who is reliable, willing to learn, and easy to work with. I always make sure to do my tasks properly and maintain a positive attitude in the workplace. I believe I am the best candidate for this position because I have the right attitude, willingness to learn, and passion for hospitality. Even if may not have extensive experience, I am eager to improve my skills and contribute positively to your company. I am dedicated, flexible, and committed to providing good service and maintaining professionalism at all times. Thank you for taking time to watch my video resume. If you have any questions or would like to know more about me, please feel free to contact me. I am looking forward to the opportunity to be part of your team. Have a great day.